I found this iron in the family home, and from my understanding, it belonged to my great-great-grandmother. This iron, from what I heard, has not been used since the early 1960s, and it is full of rust. So today we're going to remove that rust so that I can put it in my future sewing space. I'm not going to do a ton of talking in this video, but there are a lot of nice bird sounds that I thought you might like to hear, so please do enjoy. Please do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to receive updates. If you haven't already, do visit my website at thimblebook.com as well. This is what the before looked like, and now here is what it looks like now. There is no more rust on this, and there is dark spots all over it because there is pitting and a lot of it. But I think that pitting actually gives the iron some character, and it will look nice on a shelf. And I plan on putting this on a shelf whenever I get myself a sewing room. And I'm putting it out there in the atmosphere because I know that someday I will have a full sewing room. But at this point, I am just content with being in my little sewing corner. But guys, I hope that you enjoyed watching this iron restoration, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to receive more sewing related content. Peace.